In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to deliver a free download to someone when they sign up to your email list. If you're trying to grow your email list, then chances are you want to give away a free download to someone when they sign up to your email list. But it may not be very clear on the best way to do this. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do this using Convertkit. Convertkit is the email service provider that I use, love, and recommend. If you're interested in trying Convertkit, I actually have a link to it below this video that you should be sure to click. Now let's get started. First, go to convertkit.com and either create an account or log in if you already have an account. If you do need to create an account, I actually have a link below this video where you can go ahead and sign up right away. Once you're logged in, this is what Convertkit will look like when you're just starting out. The way I'm going to teach you to deliver a free download to your audience is through a form. So go ahead and click Create Form. You can do a landing page or a form. Again, I am going to show you how to do a form. There are 3 styles you can choose from. I'm going to show you how to use the naked style, which is my favorite and the one I use most often because it just blends into my existing website and brand. This is a preview of what your form will look like, and I'm going to go ahead and change the button to match my brand. Perfect. Let's go ahead and save. Go to Settings. This is what the back end of a Convertkit form looks like. You can name it and adjust a bunch of different settings. So be sure to read through this. And if you're just getting started with Convertkit, there is a great knowledge base that Convertkit has that will walk you through all the basics. So I will link to that below this video as well. But what I want to focus on is showing you how to deliver your free download. So we're going to go to Incentive Email. And the incentive email is a confirmation email that Convertkit will send out when someone subscribes. Be sure to also customize the subject line and the message, and you can also customize what the button says to match whatever your incentive is. So be sure to take a few minutes to make sure that looks the way you want. And then we're going to click Incentive Download as what happens after they confirm their subscription. And this is where you're going to upload your free download. So whether it's a ebook, worksheet, workbook, or anything like that, go ahead and click Upload File. Find the file on your computer. You'll see it uploads really quickly, and save. So there we go. Now, whenever someone opts into your form, they will get this confirmation email straight to their inbox. And when they click this button, it will not only confirm their subscription to your email list, but it will also give them this free download. And if you click this link, you can always test and make sure it works. And it just downloaded to my computer. So now I know that that free download does work and uploaded correctly. And there you go. It's that simple and easy. You now have a free download getting delivered to your audience once they opt in and confirm their subscription using Convertkit. Now you know how to deliver a free download using Convertkit. If you're interested in learning more about how to grow your email list, be sure to check out the free list building challenge hosted by my dear friend and podcast co-host, Mariah Cause. The challenge started January 23rd and goes until tomorrow, January 27th. So be sure to sign up right now by clicking the link in the corner of this video or below this video. Now I want to hear from you. What is the most recent free download that you offered your audience? Feel free to link it in the comments below, and someone else here may want to join your email list. If you thought this video was helpful, please subscribe, share it with your friends, and hit the like button below so I know to make more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.